In this video, I'll show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Dexscreener account, right? Or your Dexscreener preview here on your PC or maybe on your device, but it works most especially here on PC. Then you need to open the Moonshot tab, right? Among these other displayed chains, the Solana Ethereum based BSC, you need to choose this moonshot. Open it, right? This is what you need to do. Once you have opened it, now I want to show you how you can connect your Phantom wallet to this your desk screener. What you need to do, once you have opened it, you enter the moonshot, then click on this connect. Once you have clicked on it, wait for it to open. I'll tap on this connect. Alright. Then my Solana wallet will be displayed immediately. At first, you need to add your Solana wallet to your PC's extension. I made a video about that. I'll be dropping that video link in this video description. So ensure you check it out, right? So as you sort things out. Then once I'm done, what I need to do now, I'll click on this connect. Exactly. So my Phantom wallet has been connected to this deck screener. This is basically how you can connect your Phantom wallet to the desk screener. It works most especially here on PC. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I would love to get your feedbacks as regards to any questions, any thoughts you got in mind on this video's base, right? If you found this video helpful, let me know below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.